Articulate 360 is the gold standard for course authoring. We build polished storyline and RISE modules, streamline reviews, and export SCORM or XAPI content, ready for any LMS. When you need instructional design, content creation, when migrations need precision, or your team needs training and daily support, launches can stall and programs miss their potential. CourseCREEK steps in as your expert partner, an extension of your platform team. We handle instructional design, LMS implementation and admin, onboarding, content and data migration, and ongoing marketing and learner support. Sometimes, programs underutilize their potential, leaving you feeling stuck, unsure how to maximize its capabilities. With CourseCREEK, you get high-touch, full-service help, so your initiative goes from A to B, fast, launched correctly, supported daily, and running without headaches. Fewer stalled projects, fewer cancellations, real value from your content. In fact, clients who partner with us have given CourseCREEK 100% 5-star reviews, so you know you're in good hands. We are here when you need us, for anything you need, aligned with your platform specialists to keep everything smooth. Want a trusted long-term partner for a reliable deployment? Need world-class course authoring done for you? Book a meeting with CourseCREEK.